Hello everyone and welcome back to Health Project. Today we're going to explore the incredible world of berries and uncover the numerous health benefits while also sharing some mouth-watering recipes. So let's dive in. Berries, whether it's blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, or blackberries, are truly nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These tiny fruits are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for our overall health. First and foremost, let's talk about the antioxidant content. Berries are loaded with powerful antioxidants such as anthocyanins, flavonoids, and resveratrol, which help to protect our cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Berries are also an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and potassium. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting our immune system, bone health, and heart function. Now that we know how nutritious berries are, let's delve into the amazing health benefits they offer. Studies have shown that regular consumption of berries can help lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol levels, and improve heart health. The high levels of anthocyanins in berries are especially beneficial for cardiovascular health. Berries have been linked to improved brain function and memory. The antioxidants in these fruits may help delay brain aging and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. If you're watching your weight, berries can be your best friends. They're low calories and high in fiber, keeping you full for longer and aiding in weight management. Believe it or not, berries can also enhance your skin's radiance. The antioxidants and vitamins in berries promote skin health and protect it from damage caused by free radicals. Enough with the talk, it's time to savor the goodness of berries with these delightful and healthy recipes. Our first recipe is berry blast smoothie. Blend together a cup of mixed berries, half a frozen banana, and a handful of spinach, as well as a tablespoon of chia seeds and some almond milk. This antioxidant-packed smoothie will kickstart your day with a burst of flavors. Next up, we have balsamic berry salad. Combine mixed greens, strawberries, blueberries, and goat cheese. Drizzle some balsamic vinaigrette dressing for a tangy twist. It's the perfect balance of sweet and savory. For a nutritious and delicious dessert, try our raspberry chia pudding. Mix raspberries, almond milk, chia seeds, and a touch of honey. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and voila! You have a delightful, guilt-free treat. And last but not least, you have blueberry oatmeal muffins. These hearty and wholesome muffins are a great way to enjoy berries for breakfast or as a snack on the go. And there you have it, folks. Incorporating berries into your diet is an easy and tasty way to boost your health and overall well-being. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more content. Stay healthy, happy, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.